Hey guys, Aaron here, lover of all things good. So I'm in my kitchen just getting ready for dinner and I'm super hungry as usual. I'm actually been doing intermittent fasting, so I've been doing this kind of new, I don't want to call it a diet, I call it more of a lifestyle change. So we're gonna talk more about that kind of stuff later. But today what I am making, I'll grab for you right now. So I am making it's some egg pasta. So I'm gonna be making some egg pasta. This is my pasta jar. I have everything in here from like spinach pasta to some egg pasta. It's actually quite beautifully done, and I bought it from a local store. But I keep this on my countertop. It's kind of like my functional art for the countertop. So I love having it there. It's kind of nice to look at. And it definitely kind of adds a little bit of a spin to the kitchen, because at the end of the day, I think what you have in your kitchen should be stuff you actually use, and this is something I actually use quite a bit. I like having it on display too. So I'm going to be grilling up some ribeyes. So I have a nice juicy ribeye, probably one of the last from the bunch that I bought from Costco. And this is gonna be a grilled steak pasta. So the grilled steak pasta is gonna be nice and accompanied by some grilled mushrooms, some grilled bell peppers, as well as some grilled asparagus. I'm gonna saute some onions, get them nice and juicy and caramelized. And then I'm gonna also add in some nice salt and pepper, some seasonings, some nice toasted garlic, nothing too overpowering, and then also top it off with some Parmesan cheese. So it's gonna be pretty tasty, pretty simple, but a lot of great crunchy, crisp flavors from the vegetables and some nice textures. And it's something simple, it's good, so gotta have that. So stay tuned, more to come. Please remember to subscribe, turn on notifications, give me that thumbs up, comment, and please share the videos too. Let me know what you think. I really love this community, and I love all of you for making these videos possible. So thanks so much for watching, and more to come. Thanks.